Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use Deepseek for coding. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here, deepseek.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started. So guys, to be able to use Deepseek for coding, we are going to need an account. You can create an account by clicking the Start Now button right here. That's going to appear in the main page. So by clicking Start Now, it's going to open up the new menu where you can get started registering for an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go and log in into it normally and you can get started using Deepseek. So now we can get started guys. Once you're logged in and opening up the chat, we can get started using Deepseek for anything we need. And basically guys, it works like any other language model. If you have ever asked ChatGPT how to code something, it works exactly the same right here. In the chat right here, we can ask it anything we want. Create me a calculator app in Java. So as you can see guys, now we can ask it this and now it's going to go ahead and think for a bit and then it's going to give us a code for how we can go ahead and create a Java calculator. So you can go ahead and follow the steps right here. You can just copy this code from here. As you can see, you have the copy option. You can ask it to change something, to add something, and so on. So basically, that's how you can use Deepseek for coding and how you can get started with coding on Deepseek. So go ahead and use it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.